This video is for those who know about affiliate marketing but not sure whether affiliate marketing really works or not. Or maybe you started affiliate marketing and you're making a little money here and there, but it's not consistent. So you're still not sure whether affiliate marketing can replace your 9-to-5 job and you can build a business around it, or you can have an affiliate marketing lifestyle, whether you can get your freedom from 9 to 5 using affiliate marketing or not. So these are my numbers, my account. As you can see, last month from this account alone, we have made $66,000. Not a big number. Together with other accounts and other platforms, the number is really big. But I'm showing only this. And this month, it's a little less, $6,000 less, which is still okay. Yesterday was $1,400. Today we earned total $837 from this account. And the number might seem that, oh my God, today is half of yesterday, but still, the numbers are consistent. But I want to address a very disappointing and low number. As you can see here, $151 only. What is this? It's very small compared to $60,000, right? And if you're just starting out trying to make some money from affiliate marketing, you might encounter this kind of questions that, does it really work? Can I make consistent income? Why am I not earning consistently, etc.? So stay tuned because I'm going to answer this question and you are also going to make money. But if you don't watch this video to the end, then you will fail to understand the fundamental of affiliate marketing and how you are about to make money, what you are missing, what you should do in order to make job replacing income like this. By the way, if you are completely new to affiliate marketing or you want to learn how we earn money like this, check the link in my bio and the first comment. If you're watching from TikTok and Instagram, the link will be in the bio. And if you're watching from YouTube or Facebook, then the link is in the first comment, or maybe here or maybe there, but check the first comment. Now let's go back to this disappointing number, $151. This is from a complete beginner affiliate and she has zero experience, zero technical knowledge. She purchased a high ticket course and she did not even go through all the course modules and she does not attend the live coaching calls. But she made this money because we have set up a funnel for her that's consistently making her money. Now, this is not a big number again compared to the $60,000. So let me explain. This is actually the results of last 30 days. I would say last few days because she started just now, but I am using last 30 days for all the stats I'm about to share. So she has generated 529 hops or clicks on her affiliate link. Now, from those 529 clicks, only 2% people purchased from her affiliate link, which gave her 10 sales, generated this commission, and revenue per click on the average is around 60 cents. Great. Now let's go back to Warrior Plus stat. For the same 30 days, Warrior Plus is the platform where we listed our product and they promote the top product as affiliate as well. But here is something important. When Warrior Plus send traffic to their affiliate link or promote an offer, they promoted my offer, by the way, they sell to their customer, not general traffic. But the clicks you see that generated by this newbie affiliate are not buyers. They are social media traffic that was generated from her videos on TikTok, Instagram, and money came from that traffic. So the conversion is lower compared to Warrior Plus and the revenue per hops is lower compared to Warrior Plus. Now let's go back to my stat. It's also important for comparison and trying to understand where we are at. This is my another account where I promote my offers as affiliate, basically for tracking and testing. This is also why I can share all this data with you. You see, from my traffic, I also got 2% conversion and I also 70 cents revenue per click. It's almost the same as this beginner affiliate. The only difference between my results of $6,891 in commission and her result is the number of hops generated. It's the traffic. My videos generated 8,646 visitors and this beginner affiliate has generated only 529 clicks or visitors. If she generates traffic like me, she will earn commissions like me. Now this is another beginner affiliate. Now this person is totally new and they could only send 36 clicks, and out of those 36 clicks, 2 sales happen and it's like $3.17 revenue per sale. They made $54.77. Now this is lucky and it's not going to happen every time, but you can see 6% conversion is also possible. This is another affiliate, complete beginner. We have set this up for him and he is also lucky. He got 3% conversion, just 1% more conversion than this affiliate. Got 22 sales and made $335.17 in affiliate commission. All I want to say from this is that in affiliate marketing, you just need to generate clicks and clicks will come from your content. The better your content are, more people will like your content, save your content, share your content, engage in your content, the algorithms will favor you, send you crazy amount of views, your videos will go viral on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and you'll get more and more clicks, email subscribers, and eventually sales. This is the basics of affiliate marketing, and it simply works. You don't have to worry about whether it works or not, whether you can make real money or not. All you need to do is to focus on the content. Try to get better, at least 1% better every single day. Creating content for your audience, following the leaders, the trend, focus on giving as much as possible in terms of quality, in terms of information, with the full intention of helping people. They will feel that and they will sign up and they will opt into your email list. They will read your emails, click your emails whenever you send them, come back and watch your content over and over, making you more successful. The system works perfectly. You just need to stay consistent in producing and in improving. That's it for today. I hope you got some value from this video. If you want to learn how we earn money like this, check the instructions in the bio from TikTok and Instagram, and in the first comment, Facebook and YouTube. Follow for more, like and share with your friends and family to help others. And we'll see you in the next video.